Right, this one was generally well done. Looking at this from the front, it would be 3 wide and 2 high there, and otherwise 1 high. So that would be from the front. From the side would be the same thing. Right, if I'm looking at it from the side, I've still got 2 high on the right, a total length of 3. Yeah, because that's still sticking out there to make 3 and not just that little L, you'd still see this part. And then looking down was probably the one where a few people lost a mark. If I just take it very systematically, on the right hand side I've got 1 sticking, 1 extra there. Then it goes 2 along this way, 2 down, 2 along, 1 up, and it's like that. There's my plan view. In the space below, construct the net of a tetrahedron. And the first thing you need to do is you need to know what a tetrahedron is. And a tetrahedron is made of 4 equilateral triangular faces. That's what a tetrahedron is. It's a shape. It's a triangle-based pyramid. That's not a great drawing. It's a triangle-based pyramid with equal sides, with equal faces. So that's a tetrahedron. And then we need to draw a net. So when I'm drawing a net, usually I start with the base. Now it says construct a net. Okay, so I need to be able to construct equilateral triangles, and this is how you do it. I'm firstly going to draw the base of one of my equilateral triangles, and it needs to be 5 centimeters, because that's what I've been asked to do. So 5 centimeters as a base for my equilateral triangle. Now to construct an equilateral triangle, you need compasses. And this is how you do it. I want the same length there as here. And that creates an equilateral triangle. Where these two arcs cross, that's the point that is 5 centimeters away from both of those. So I have created a perfect equilateral triangle. Each side length is 5 centimeters. And I'm going to keep this as at that 5 centimeter width. And if this was the base of my tetrahedron, I need to add the sides so that it would fold up. So it would fold up, right? So I've got to create equilateral triangles attaching to each of these sides. So I would use a compass and get it just right and create arc there, create an arc there. Oh. Create an arc there, create an arc here. Okay, so I've now got all the places which are going to be needed to join up my equilateral triangles. So that would fold up to make a tetrahedron.